सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल वीडियो सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चोयता इदकुनु नमक चान संतोष आसा. आमगेल ये विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगेल चड्डुआने ये मुखारन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेयर and subscribe कोरका.
From Deepavali, the festival of joy and lights, a huge variety of sweets and snacks are made in our households. You can find many recipes for sweets and snacks in this channel. Satta Phovu is the most essential part of Diwali celebrations for the GSPs of Kochi side. This is also made and distributed among relations when there is a cradle ceremony in the family and also for engagements and marriages. On Deepavali day, this is served along with a breakfast of Konkani Khann. So here is the recipe for the simple and easy sweet. Here are 2 cups of freshly grated coconut and 1 cup of powdered jaggery. I shall add half cup of coconut to this jaggery. Mix well to make churran. Keep aside. Here is 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of dal and 1 tablespoon of white til. Roast each of them separately to a golden brown. Keep these roasted ingredients aside. Here is 2 cups of thin red coke. You may also use white coke, but the red one is tastier. Now add the rest of the grated coconut. Mix well. And then with your hands, start to press forcefully to soften the Phovu. Usually, my hubby prepares the Diwali Phovu for this reason. Otherwise, you may use a little fresh coconut water to soften the Phovu. Sprinkle little by little till you have soft Phovu. Keep ready 4 powdered cardamoms. After the Phovu has softened, add the sweet churran. Mix well. Add the roasted items, the powdered cardamom, a tablespoon of ghee and mix well. Finally, sprinkle a tablespoon of sugar. Keep covered for some time. Enjoy the sweet Phovu with your family and friends. For increasing shelf life, you can make a jaggery syrup of 1 string consistency and then add all the other ingredients. As always, like, share and subscribe. Wishing you a happy Deepavali.